The elastic plastic modulus of behaviour is perception. Which side of the line are you looking? So this is where I've gone with infinite boundary between dimensions. And just see it as a surface of water, and you're a creature. Imagine one of those fish with the eyes that poke up through the water. And you can adjust where you are on the surface. If you keep looking, keep going, you find behaviour of male over female. Female is the source, the red circle, cross, line, and then a black circle, arrow. And here we have the behaviour of species about perception and the power of awareness and the power of now, the moment of attention. It's the moment of perspective. What can you see? What can you see? If you see the male, you see the sphere with an axis rotating. So you're seeing a spherical planet. You're observing and measuring the planet spherically, and therefore it becomes spherical in its momentum. Because ultimately at the end of the fractal is this moment of choice, plus or minus. It means if you always choose minus, narcissism, where narcissism here is on the bottom because it's the energy, if you choose the narcissism, you drag you to the spherical planet. And so our perspective is of a spherical planet. If you believe in a flat earth, and when you look at everything, you can make sense of it because it's a correct perspective. But the planet physically, as a physical beam entity, will reflect the perspective of the majority of the mass of the consciousness, light or dark. Male over female, source. The males choose now, again, plus over minus. What are we choosing in our behavior? Let's choose empathy, plus, that means we're adding the energy to the base, to the source. And so that the two rings of pi real and pi natural. Pi natural is the red female. Pi real is the male black circle. And the two are together, fighting together or sitting comfortably together. The male sits comfortably inside the female. The bigger can fit comfortably inside the female if the two keep moving together. Terence Howard did a beautiful description of this, of the fluidity that must exist, and this is it. So that the males must keep moving with the female. Yeah? Feel the female motion and go with it, because it's the love wave. We're the rigid body. We want that love wave all around us, don't we, males? We want to feel the love of woman in our society, of mother, of wife, of lover, child, and knowing the difference between them all. Yeah. That's life. That's the elastic plastic modulus of behaviour. Male over female. That's the lesson of Vitruvian man. It's beautiful stories are coming out, aren't they? I'm just dropping them down. This was like a bonus one. I thought I'd put that in. I just thought of it. Come on. Follow the Rebel King.